What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to add a location on Snapchat. So this one is pretty easy. So let's get it started. So first of all, you cannot really add your Snapchat on your profile. There's no bio like Instagram bio. There's no bio right here in Snapchat. What you can do is to add a location by post. You want to make a story and you can add your location right there. So first, just make a casual story, take a pic right there, just scroll to the left until you see the location filter right here and click allow. And after you click allow, you just need to open your location on your system. Make sure to open your location, and after that just scroll to the left again until you see this location icon right here, and that's it. And if you want to change your location, just click to the text and there will be a list of location that you can set it, or you can search your own location and add it in your story. And that's it. That's how you do it. That's how you add location on Snapchat. And also that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.